In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Dropbox accounts. This is a straightforward process that will help you manage multiple accounts easily. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and type in Dropbox in the search bar. You will see various results related to Dropbox. This step is crucial because it directs you to the official website. It's always important to ensure you are accessing the correct site to avoid any phishing attempts. Once you see the official Dropbox link, you can proceed to the next step. Now, click on the correct link that leads you to the Dropbox homepage. Make sure it's the official Dropbox site, which typically has a clean, professional design. Clicking the right link will take you to a secure environment where you can log in and manage your accounts. If you see any suspicious-looking links, it's best to avoid them. This choice is vital for keeping your information safe. Next up, log into your Dropbox account. You'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Remember that this step is essential for accessing your files and settings. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you may need to complete that as well. Once logged in, you will be taken to your account dashboard, where you can see all your files. After that, click your avatar or profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. This action opens a drop-down menu with various options. Your avatar is a quick way to access account settings and preferences. When you click on it, you will see an option for settings, which is the next step in linking your accounts. With the drop-down menu open, select Settings. This will redirect you to a new page with several tabs related to your account. Selecting Settings is important because it allows you to manage your account details and link additional Dropbox accounts. You will now find yourself on the General tab, which is where you will perform the next action. On the General tab, scroll down until you see the Link Account section. This section is specifically designed for linking additional Dropbox accounts. It might take a moment to find, but don't worry, you're getting closer to linking your accounts. This step is significant as it prepares you to enter the credentials for your second Dropbox account. Now click Link Account. This action will prompt you to type in the username and password of your second account. Entering the correct details is crucial to ensure that the accounts can be linked successfully. After typing in your credentials, take a moment to double-check them. This will save you time and frustration later. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the pairing of your accounts. This confirmation step is important to finalize the linking process. You might see notifications or additional information on the screen as you complete this process. Once you confirm the pairing, your accounts will be linked successfully, allowing for easier file management across both accounts. Congratulations! You have successfully linked your Dropbox accounts. This will make your workflow much more efficient. Now you can easily share files and collaborate across both accounts without needing to log in and out constantly. Thank you for following along, and I hope this video has been helpful for you.